this boy has a problem with his grandfather. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಯ ಆಯ್ತು ಅವರಿಗೆ? 72. ತಿನ್ಲಿ ಅಣ್ಣ, ತಿನ್ಲಿ ಪಾಪ. 72 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ? 72-year-old grandfather is a diabetic. He wants to eat dry fruits etc. at night, which this boy thinks is because he has read in the book that he should not eat after. So it doesn't matter. Ask him to eat less. And there are studies which show diabetics have to eat 6 times a day. It is good. There are other studies which say diabetics can eat only twice. So these studies mean nothing. Okay? ಪಾಪ ಅವರು ಇರಲಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 20 ವರ್ಷ ಇರಲಿ ಪಾಪ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತೆ? This doctor is a very intelligent girl. She thinks I have got a good memory. But I tell you frankly, I can't remember anybody's name. My wife, when she was alive, she is with God now, but when she was alive, she used to always make fun of me. You don't know our relatives' names. So my memory is not good. I would answer that in one word: God's blessings. Thank you very much. Ilban, you bala ole doctor.
This is Paritosh. I just want to have one question. You have mentioned that for young people they should not put on weight. For young people, you have mentioned that they should not put on weight. Can you prescribe a book or a way of living or the parameters they should maintain in their life so they can have a good life? And as I think I'm still young, so I would like to incorporate those things into my life so that I can have a healthier life.
Good. Very simple, very simple. I told you, eat when you are hungry only. Never eat when you are not hungry, even if it is time for food, number one. And if eat half of what you want to eat, if you think you can eat 2 idlis, stop at 1 idli, you'll never put on weight. And be very active. Don't be lazy. Very active physically. And then don't think of any bad things, because bad things, depression makes you put on weight. So you love everybody, you don't put on weight. So thank you all very, very much. I enjoyed every minute of what I was interacting with you. And inshallah, we will meet some other time and we will see how nicely it is. Thank you all very, very much once again.
As a pregnant woman, is taking calcium and iron supplements every day safe?
No. When you're pregnant, especially in the first 3 months, avoid any drug. ANYDRUG, any drug. Avoid it.
And what should she do if her 3-month-old baby gets fever?
No, you must have a good pediatric doctor for the baby. And if he's a sensible person, he will not give medicines, because the baby will be all right. You can bring down the temperature by tepid sponging. But I am not the doctor. You ask your doctor. This is a personal question. This is a question, not a general question. Okay?
Yeah. Please come in the queue, don't jump.
No. But psoriasis has some other treatment. If you want to, there's a doctor called Chris Reynolds in Australia, and he has got a very good thing, which is made out of wheatgrass. drwheatgrass.com and see. Go. Yeah.
So there's a question on epilepsy, doctor. Supposing it's not occurred.
Yeah, I know. He wants to know whether epilepsy can be, the treatment can be stopped. No, epilepsy, the treatment conventionally stopped when you don't get a fit for 2 years. Some people ask for 5 years, and this pressure is from the drug companies most of the time. There is a doctor who gets very good special yoga for epilepsy treatment, and he's an American, and you can write to him, and he will answer you how to do that. It's called Kriya Yoga, and he has got a beautiful yoga, and that's a treatment for epilepsy. His name is David Shanonoff Khalsa. Yeah, internet. You say David Shanonoff Khalsa. You talk to David.
Doctor, there's a question on diabetes, insulin. The doctor has asked him to continue insulin. So what does he do in that case?
It depends on whether he's a type 1 diabetic or a type 2 diabetic. Type 2. But insulin for a type 2, you are thin. Probably ask another doctor. He may give you a tablet. No, that's what I'm saying. For a type 2 diabetes, insulin is very rarely given, unless there is something wrong with you. So you better see a good doctor. Okay? Where are you from?
Where are you from? Belgaum.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಇನ್ಸುಲಿನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೂಡ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾ.
Doctor, the next question is on pranayam and yoga. Is there a way that it can increase memory power? Pranayam and yoga, if done, is there a way it can increase memory power?
Yes, certainly. Pranayama, meditation. ಹೌದೌದು, of course, yes, very much.
The next question, what is the treatment of calf muscle pain in diabetes type 2?
Type 2 diabetic people get calf muscle pain mainly because of electrolyte imbalance. Either they are taking too much of some drugs which will throw out salt and water or some potassium loss. So the best thing is you see your own doctor and find out what is the cause.
For paranoid schizophrenia, is Ayurvedic treatment good or allopathic?
I don't know of any treatment for paranoid schizophrenia which is better than the other one. I told you. So you have to have some treatment for whatever it is. But what they require is understanding, compassion. They'll be all right. I don't know of any good treatment for schizophrenia. No.
The next question is on water. Is boiling water better or mineral water better?
Yeah, I think natural water is better provided the water is clean. Not in brass vessel, keep it in a silver vessel. No, because water is life. When you boil it, it gets killed. ಹೌದೌದು, ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ life goes.
There's a lady suffering from wheezing from her childhood and now it's affecting her legs.
Amma, you must see a good doctor for treatment,
What is
ma.
affecting? Tell me first. Okay, it's affecting the herpes. So what does she do? Is there a cure?
She has to, no, I am not doing any consultation practice here. You must see a doctor, please.
No, herpes. I got herpes. Herpes.
Herpes has nothing to do with asthma.
No, not that. She's asking wrongly. Herpes, whether there is any cure for that?
Yeah.
Doctor is telling there is no cure.